Okay, so guys, since it's my first time being in the beach at winter, how do you think that the water will look like frozen? I don't know. Let's check it out. Hello guys! Welcome back to today's video! My name is Yuna, and this is my little brother, Kenji. And this is my mommy. Wow! Hi! And today, we're in the car because we're going on a road trip, and you know where? To the beach in winter. Okay, now, let's get it. Okay, so guys, as you can see, my dad is refueling the car, so we have enough gas to just be on the road, like so we don't end up stopping in the middle of nowhere.
Okay, there's Daddy. Kenji, look. Oh no! What is Daddy doing?
That is so cool.
Look at Kenji's face.
It looks like it's raining so much.
And Daddy's window.
I forgot that we're actually inside that outside.
Washing car. Daddy's washing the car. Don't open the window, otherwise the water will come in. Daddy good. Daddy good. Good.
Beep beep. Beep beep. I'll get super excited when I see the seaside. Beep beep. But it's too cold to swim in there.
We're here. Jessie. Okay.
We're here.
Jessie.
Here.
Hello guys! Welcome back to today's video. My name is Yuna, and that is my little brother Kenji. And we're at the beach, and you might be expecting to be in the beach in summer, but because we have our jackets and it's really cold, we're at the beach in winter, and this is how it looks. No! You're going away. Okay, so guys, since it's my first time being in the beach at winter, how do you think that the water will look like frozen? I don't know. Let's check it out. This is how it looks like.
Wow. Wow.
Uh-oh, the water isn't frozen, but I still want to touch the water. Don't run away, Mom. Yay, it's really cold.
Kenji too.
Freezing cold.
Oh, wash. Wash hands, wash.
It's cold.
Wait for the wave. Wait.
It's cold. Super cold.
Kenji, wash your hands, wash. Wash. Wash your hands.
It's so cold.
Whoa. Oh, let's go.
You know? It's cold?
Super cold.
Super cold?
It's so cold.
It's cold?
The water.
The water is cold.
Yeah, Daddy, one side. Look, Ate and Kenji.
The bird.
Yes, and then Yuna.
Wow, so many birds. There's one bird there. So many birds. Wow, it sure is cold, but still looks the same. But yeah. So many birds. I saw one fishing. One is fishing there. It's eating. So many birds.
I won't go under them or else they will start pooping, I guess.
Huh?
If I go under them, they will poop on me.
Kenji, shell. Pick up some shells.
Any shell? It's just beautiful. Still, I got one shell. I'm gonna keep it.
Let's keep it.
Kenji, show.
I will wash it in the water.
Hey, Yuna and Kenji race. Yuna and Kenji race. Kenji, ready? Go!
Okay, let's go. First.
Again. Mommy and Kenji, Yuna and Kenji race. Okay, let's play race. Kenji, are you ready? Kenji! Ready? Kenji!
2, 1,
Go!
Race!
Race, go! This is Kenji's. Winner, Kenji and Yuna. One more?
Yay.
Okay, one more. Go. One more race.
Go!
Go.
3, 2, 1.
Kenji, 3, 2, 1, go. Tatak. This is Kenji. Kenji, come on. Ate won. Kenji, get your flag. Yay.
Kenji, stop.
Right. Stand fight.
No.
Ate, come.
Sandcastle with Kenji. Kenji, let's bring our sandcastles there, and let's go bring our sandcastles there. Let's go our sandcastles. Kenji, no, like this. 3, 2. You can do that again. Eat the fish! Let's go on a seashell hunt. Ooh, I already found some two pretty ones already. This one. I'm gonna watch it. Wait for the wave to come. Yippee! I found two pretty big seashells. And this one too is really pretty. Up. It already got washed by the waves, so I can get these. I got already 3 very pretty seashells. Let's go look for more. Guys, I found some pretty seashells here. Wow! This is a really pretty one here. I'm gonna put it in the seashell bag. Looks beautiful. And yep, this one is there's a tiny seashell attached to it.
Kenji, every leg.
Wow! Kenji has?
Oh, can I see?
Kenji, show your seashell.
Pretty! A tiny seashell inside of a big seashell.
They're little ones.
Tiny seashell. And I got another
She found
seashell.
seashells by the seashores. Tongue twister.
She found seashells by the seashore. She found seashells by the seashore. I can't do it. Whoa! No, this is beautiful.
Actually, she sees seashells by the seashore. She sees seashells by the seashore.
I saw sunset colored one. It's so beautiful.
Try again. She sells.
She
sells. No, it's not she sees. She sells seashells by the seashore. Go.
She sells seashells. She sells by the she sells seashells by the seashores. She sells seashells by the seashores.
Yo.
And I found a sunset beautiful colored one. I like this. And there are this one. It's really pretty. It looks like a rectangle though.
Put that in the pocket.
My seashell collection.
Put it in your pocket.
So guys, these are the seashells that I found on the way. Okay, so this one. This perfect one.
And Kenji's? Where are the Kenji's? Okay.
Put it there. Get,
Okay.
Yuna, get.
Okay.
And Kenji's seashell.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seashells.
Kenji, 10! 10!
So guys, I'm done collecting all of these seashells and I will enjoy the beach.
Kenji!
Okay, so guys, I think you reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Even though we couldn't do anything at the beach, at least we enjoyed a lot. And even if we couldn't swim, I guess we found our own ways to just spend our time and breathe the fresh air. Bye guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Kenji, bye-bye!
And remember, Jesus loves you all. Bye-bye.
No.